Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're making a cream custard. It's like a creme brulee, but it's super easy. You don't have to use a torch, and it's absolutely delicious. You gotta try this, so let me walk you through it. First step, we're gonna make the caramel by adding 3 tablespoons of sugar into a saucepan. So what you're gonna do is let this caramelize. You don't have to stir it over medium heat. I'm just going to swirl this around a little bit. After about 3 minutes, it's caramelized beautifully. So I'm going to pour this into a ramekin. You can use your preferred one. So we're just going to set this aside and in the meantime do our cream mixture. Next up, I'm going to crack an egg. Let's get cracking. And I'm just going to whisk this until it's kind of pale in color. By the way, what did the egg say to the clown? You cracked me up. After it's done, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of condensed milk. So yummy. 2 tablespoons of evaporated milk. And if you don't have this, you can just use regular milk. And once again, a whisking we will go until it's smooth and well combined. Now I should mention this is just 1 serving. But you know, if you're having a party or guests over, you can double or triple the recipe. And you can add a bit of lemon zest to this, but I'm just trying to keep it as simple as possible. After that, I'm going to use my strainer and put it into the ramekin. Okay, now I'm going to cover this up with some aluminum foil. Then I'm going to put my ramekins into a bigger pan. Fill it up, I'd say about half full with a boiling water bath. I love a bath. And I'm going to slip this into a 375 degree Fahrenheit, 190 Celsius for about 30 minutes or until an inserted toothpick comes out clean. And you can steam this too if you like. After 30 minutes, I'm going to remove the foil. So what I'm going to do now is just run a knife along the edge just to release things. And we're just going to give this a flip. Little tap, and out we come. There you have it, guys, our easy cream custard. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Guys, this is super good. The sweetness, it's soft, the richness. I just love it. You got to try this. And the great thing is, it's super easy. You know, you can make this, you can steam it, whatever. So for this recipe and many more recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff over there. You're going to love it. Thanks for subscribing. Give us a thumbs up and see you next time.